In the late 1990s, an internet revolution swept the world. Websites launched overnight, valuations soared overnight, hopes skyrocketed, until they didn't. Today, we're diving into what truly happened behind the headlines. Dot-com companies, startups with no profits but explosive visions, were all the rage. Venture money was fuel. Investors were betting billions on anything with .com at the end. But what drove that faith? And what blinded them? Movies and TV portrayed tech as magical. Heroes arose from garages. They disrupted industries. Everyone wanted a piece of the next Amazon or eBay. Or so they thought. Remember Pets.com, Webvan? Each raised hundreds of millions. No profitability in sight. Valuations reached billions. Real money chased digital dreams. Fear of missing out gripped Silicon Valley. Late entrants felt compelled to invest or risk being left behind. Groupthink fueled irrational exuberance. Behind the headlines were cracks. Our investigative tale begins with the numbers. No profits, no revenue stream, just spreadsheets filled with projection dreams. Stocks launched like rockets. Web companies debuted at double or triple the IPO price. But soon, whispers emerged. Were these just illusions inflated by hype? Meet Boo.com, the UK fashion startup which spent $135 million in 18 months before collapsing. A cautionary tale of expansion without solid strategy. Not every startup failed. Amazon, eBay, Google had real users and real profits. But they were overshadowed by the hype blinding people to fundamentals. Everyone wanted to be part of the next big thing. Tech bloggers, news outlets, talk shows fanned the flames, turning minor wins into front-page sagas. 2000 arrived, and cracks became chasms. The Nasdaq peaked in March, then tumbled, plunging investors into chaos. By 2002, the dot-com bubble had burst. 90% of web companies collapsed. Investors lost trillions. But what exactly triggered the dominoes? From greed came clarity. Dot-com taught us that growth without profitability is a trap. Revenues, margins, discipline, these became new mantras. Some emerged stronger. Amazon beefed up infrastructure, eBay focused on users. They leaned into fundamentals, not hype. Fast forward to today. Cryptocurrency, SPACs, AI startups. The echoes of 2000 remain. Similar signs emerge. Hyper-hype, valuations untethered from reality.
How to avoid falling into history's trap? Stick to proven metrics. Revenue, user growth, burnout, competition. Remove FOMO.
The 2000 dot-com boom inspired books, documentaries, HBO shows. Its allure remains, an epic cautionary saga.
Behind the crash were founders, employees, everyday users. Some pivoted, some burned out. Their stories remain mostly untold. Media outlets fueled the frenzy. They hyped each new startup as the next big thing, chasing clicks and sponsorships. What creates a bubble? The pattern repeats. Innovation, hype, irrational growth, collapse. Dot-com followed this blueprint like clockwork.
Dot-com was preceded by other bubbles, Tulip Mania, South Sea. Comparing them reveals human nature, greed, hope, fear.
Remember the emotional fallout, lives upended, careers derailed. It wasn't just money, it was dreams burned in real time.
Despite the wreckage, seeds were sown. Data centers, broadband networks, digital payments infrastructure. These became the foundation of Web 2.0.
Today's tech world is wiser, yet bubble-prone. The solutions of yesterday became structures of tomorrow, but caution still should rule.
Economist Catherine St. John says dot-com wasn't a failure. It was a fine-tuning of the internet economy. You built for tomorrow, not for yesterday.
Could dot-com have endured? What if investors focused on fundamentals? We explore possible alternate timelines, worthy of a sci-fi flick. Even non-investors felt the fallout through job loss, market decline, broken trust. But from broken trust came more resilient systems. Songs of the era reflected optimism and loss. Pop anthems contrasted with somber ballads when dreams collapsed. It shaped the soundtrack of a generation. Today's investors, entrepreneurs, dreamers can look back and ask, what's real? What's hype? It's still a vital question. Dotcom, an era of wonder, excess, tragedy, rebirth. It was the bubble that sparked the web, forever changed how we build, invest, and dream.